Okay, Jyoti, so please introduce yourself. I think you are going for master's course in management in IIT
Yes,
Madras, right?
yes, sir.
Yeah, please your brief introduction.
Yes, sir. My name is Jyoti Prakash. I am an ambitious and hardworking graduate specialized in industrial engineering from College of Engineering, Gindi. Um, the quality of teaching at my undergraduate school helped me to learn various fundamentals of subjects such as operation research, facility location, and layout planning, and supply chain management, which enhanced my perspective while confronting the real world problems. Um, at my at the end of my third year, I analyzed the various causes of delays in residential construction projects, in which we mainly collected the various factors causing delays in construction industries and prioritized them according to their impacts on those delays. Um, in my final year, I have done a project on facility allocation model for supply chain effectiveness during disaster relief operations, in which our objective is to find out an optimal location to set up a facility which would be helpful to provide relief materials to the people. These two projects motivated me to pursue masters in management in IIT Madras.
Okay, so have you identified any research area for you in management?
Yes, sir. Since I have been familiarized with the concepts such as linear programming, inventory models, and facility location models, and I want to research on that topic, sir.
So you are industrial engineer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so why you chose the construction industry for your research?
No, sir. Like industrial engineer, basically industrial engineers can deal with mainly deals with design and development of processes and organizations. We have to find out an efficient way to do some particular work. At that
Jyoti,
time,
any idea about Industry 4.0 concept?
actually, Industry 4.0 is the uh, it is the advancement of using the IoTs and the machine learning algorithms to uh, include in industry's basic operations without much human involvement.
Okay, so you said you have some knowledge of operation research and all, right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
can you tell me the difference in operation research and operation management?
Yes, sir, sure, sir. Operation research mainly deals with mathematical development of mathematical models and implementing them, whereas operations management is also the encompasses the management principles and theories
Jyoti, why you took
into considerations.
why you want management department? Why not industrial engineering department? Masters.
Specifically, I wanted to go in the direction of research career. So I thought MS would be better than the normal MTech degree, which would give me an opportunity to pursue more research oriented
Okay,
course.
Siklani sir.
Okay, Jyoti, you mentioned that you want to do research in the area of inventory management and facility location, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so facility location, what are the issues in facility location which you want to research on?
Sir, actually, as I said before, in my final year project, I mainly deals with facility allocation problem for disaster relief operations, so that I can work. The same problem could be handled in a better way. So that I have said that.
Okay, so basically,
Some of the topics which I haven't studied in my undergraduate studies, I can learn that and work on that project.
no, so this disaster management, this related issues or disaster relief related issues. So basically, you are talking about only those items or equipments, etc., which are required for these particular applications and all those, right? So are you talking
Yes,
about
sir.
making them, or are you talking about storing those particular the items which are used in disaster management, all that?
No, sir. Actually, that project is nothing to do with the inventory management. That project is mainly deals with facility locations, where we should locate our facilities to provide relief materials.
No, so
That,
obviously it will be inventory will be involved over there, isn't it?
yes,
So
sir. But we
bringing
didn't
the
go
items.
into that much detail, sir. We didn't go into that much detail at that time. After joining, I can do that also, I believe.
What is inventory management?
Inventory management is managing the how much quantity to make inventory, and how to find the optimum level of inventory, which would reduce the total cost of purchase.
So can you let me know some of the tools which are used in inventory management?
Sorry, sir.
Can you let me some of the tools which are used in inventory management?
Tools. I don't know, sir. I have no idea about that.
Okay.
I know some of the techniques such as ABC analysis and VED analysis, but I don't know about the tools.
Okay. Tyagi sir can go ahead now.
Okay, Jyoti. So first of all, you tell me, what do you understand by dependent and independent events?
Sir, in dependent events, the happening of one event will affect the happening of other event. It will have some impact on the happening of that event also. But in independent event, the occurrence of both events will happen independently.
So how do we check mathematically whether two events are independent or dependent?
Uh, Sir, if we can calculate the probability of intersection, and we can correlate them with the independent events formula and dependent events formula, so that we can came to conclusion that
What
this
is
is
the
independent
formula?
event or dependent event.
What formula? What formula?
Sir, for independent events, the probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A multiplied by probability of B. Whereas in dependent events, the probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. Somehow minus probability of A in B, sir, I think.
ये तो ऊपर भी चलेगा formula. This will work in first case also.
I don't know if yes, sir, I couldn't remember at this moment. Sir,
Okay,
but
tell
I
me
have
what is
studied
random
that.
variable? What is random variable?
Yes, sir. Random variable is the variable which we could relate to the outcomes of the events.
Outcomes of the
There are
events.
two types of random variables. Yes, sir.
I do not want to use term event.
It's the way.
I don't like the term event.
Okay.
Then define random variable.
I don't know, sir.
Okay. Okay, tell me what is orthogonal matrix?
Orthogonal is where multiplication of a matrix and multiplication of a matrix and its inverse is identity matrix.
ये तो सभी में होगा.
Yeah,
It will be applicable in all cases for all square matrices
Yes, sir.
which are invertible. Okay.
I don't know.
So, sir, provide the feedback.
Yes, yes.
First of all, Jyoti, if you are going for management course, then please prepare mathematics. It will help you.
Okay.
Okay. Because
Okay.
if you perform well in mathematics, then there will be more chance. So prepare
Yes, sir.
probability theory, matrix algebra. These two are most important topics there. Clear?
Sure, sir. Sure, sure.
Here in the three
Yes, sir.
questions, you have not answered clearly. Random variable का
Yes, sir.
definition
Since
कई बार बताया जा चुका है क्लास में भी, और everywhere they are asking.
yes, sir.
Still students are not answering random variable. Everyone know that it is important, but we still don't revise this. So all these things you have to revise. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will look into it.
Saglani sir.
Okay, so Jyoti Prakash, see, usme thodi bring some clarity on your project. What
Yes,
you
sir.
did, whatever you have done, just at least make it clear what you wanted to do, right?
Okay.
And
Okay.
also inventory related, okay, that is okay. I asked you tools, okay, these are the tools. You can say just the methods or tools. You can say they are the methods and tools you can mention over here. So just
Okay.
brush up the basic. And since the project is related, so try to make it much better in terms of explanation. Okay, Dr. Vijender can proceed
Sure,
now.
sir. Sure.
Jyoti, so again, you are industrial engineer, so I presume that all the information related to industrial engineering should be known to you, right? You should be very well versed with industrial engineering
sir.
terms, and you know that energy which is required, I mean, to answer, and that knowledge and confidence that is lacking somewhere in your approach. So you should
Okay.
have that kind of confidence through which you are, if you're answering, that it looks like you know the things. So just revise industrial engineering, just go through your research proposal and go through the profile of the department, right? And the kind
Okay.
of questions we have asked, he will link the question, you know, whatever you will say, next question will be related to that only. So that is how
Okay.
you have to prepare for it. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So Jyoti, prepare really well for that. You got the opportunity, and you must try to convert it. When is your interview?
Sir, 25th, sir.
25th, no? So you still
Yes.
have time, nothing to worry. Go for one more
Yes,
mock before that if you want, and then prepare it well, right?
Yes.
Keep practicing, but give more
Okay.
be more
Okay.
confident in this. Fine.
Okay.
Jyoti?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.